Yes, sir.
Good morning. हांव झेवियर फर्नांडीस, राया पंचायत मेंबर. तशें बारबोर म्हजे बारबोर आमी सगळे हांगा बसले आहा ते सगळे वी आर ऑल मेंबर्स ऑफ द राया पंचायत.
Manya Rodriguez, what number 6, BP Raia.
Melina D'Souza.
आयज हो आमकां प्रेसाक येवचें पडलें फुडल्यान कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार काल रायच्या सरपंचान एक प्रेस घेतला आनीक तेणें आपणाचें कितें आसा तें तेणें सांगलां आनी सांगता आसतना तेणें जो उलयला तेन्ना तो कांयच आपणाक सपोर्टींग डॉक्युमेंट घेवन उलोवंक ना. तो आपणाचें सांगत रावलो अ नॅरेटीव अ स्टोरी अशें सांगूंक लागलो आनी हेच स्टोरी जो आसा ती गांवांतूय ते स्प्रेड केल्या की डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स आडायताय म्हणून. बट देर इज नो ट्रूथ इन दीस की डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स आडायताय बिकॉज डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स जो आसा हॅज बीन स्लोड डावन वॉट एवर इट इज बिकॉज प्रोसिजर लॅब्स आसा ते दॅट एक्चुअली कितें आहा तें सांगना तो. आनी प्रोसिजर जो आसा तो सेक्रेटरी आनी सरपंच कोत्ताय. सो यू कॅनॉट से की डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स ऑपोजिशन आडायता आनी कोण आडायता वो आडायता ता आडायता तशें करून म्हणूंक जायना. सो हिंगा कितें जालें सो टेंडर जाल्ले फ्यू कपल ऑफ मंथ्स एक म्हयनो पयलीं सो टेंडर जाल्ले आनी ते जेन्ना सो टेंडर जाल्ले तेन्ना थिंगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेंडर नोटिसाचेर डेट आहा. यू कॅन वेरीफाय दॅट पेपरार येयला टेंडर नोटिसाचें ओपनिंग ऑफ टेंडर आहलें तेन्ना तें
1
हां एप्रील
1
या. सो टेंडर नोटीस ओपनिंग आहलोलें ते एक्चुअली जानेवारी म्हणून थिंगा मिस्टेकान येयला ऑर रॉंगली येयला. सो दॅट वॉज वन स्मॉल मिस्टेक ते एरर जावपाक शकता. बट मेन इशू कितें जाला इज रिगार्डींग द टेंडर्स आनी थिंगा जेन्ना टेंडर ओपन कोत्ताय एवरी टेंडर नोटिसाचेर आसता जो वीच इज परचेस्ड बाय द टेंडरर्स थिंगा क्लियर बरयल्लें आसता की टेंडर which should always be placed in a sealed cover. There is a procedure for tendering and also there is another point at 29 unsealed tenders will summarily be rejected. हे कितें आसोता की टेंडर जो आसा जो कोड जो आसोता तो कवरान घालून सील करून दिवपाक जाय म्हणून बिकॉज दे शूड बी ट्रान्सपरन्सी आनी कोण लोएस्ट आहा ताका मेळपाक जायो. देर इज अ प्रोसिजर फॉर टेंडरींग. पूण हिंगा आमगेलें जो टेंडरींग जाला थिंगा पळय सद्याक हिंचो एनवेलोप्स आहाय तेंचेर नॉर्मल प्रोसिजर आसता मेंबरांक पळोवपाक एक मिटींग काडपाक ऑन द डे ऑफ ओपनिंग ऑफ टेंडर द टायम ऑफ ओपनिंग ऑफ टेंडर मेंबर्स आर प्रेजेंट देर सेक्रेटरी सरपंच and importantly a member of the video that is the engineer has to be present for opening of the tender. That is the procedure and तेचेर साइन मारूंक जाय सगळे before opening the tender. This is called transparency. हिंग चोयचे गेले ओनली सेक्रेटरी मात्ता साइन एकाचे सेक्रेटरी आहा आनी सरपंच आनी मागीर आनी पळय दाखय तुमकां हियर ओनली सरपंच सेक्रेटरी दोगूय जावन हें केलां. सो वॉट हाऊ वी कॅन से दॅट दीज quotations that are come have not been manipulated. My question is this. तुवें कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार आफ्टरवर्ड्स जो कंपेरेटिव्ह स्टेटमेंट जाले तूं दाखयता नेम ऑफ वर्क हिंगा जो लोएस्ट कोट आहा तेका अबाव एक्चुअली कोटेशन जाता ते अबाव आनी बिलो जाता. बिलो जाल्यार पंचायती फायदो. टेंडर कित्याक कोत्ताय फायदो जावपा पंचायती लोएस्ट कोट येवपाक बिलो पासून येवपाक. दिस इज व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट बिलो येवपाक जाय न्हू. पूण हिंचो अबाव 4.99 work construction of drainage at Filu house magi just note the 4.99 dusro second work construction of drainage in Sanjay Montero house again lowest quotation 4 point above 98. Another work construction of drainage Augustine house lowest quotation 4.99 आणि एक वर्क again lowest quotation 4.98. हे कितकून how is it possible? My question is how is it possible that various contractors are quoting the same figure above figure plus figure as 4.98 or 4.99? That means there's some involvement somewhere of some person for this quotation and सगळ्यांगेले lowest असतो plus 4.98 4.99. So my question is, अशें कोण कितको जावपाक शकता? How does, because it is supposed to be secret, it is supposed to be transparent. And दुसरी चोय तुमी हिंगा जेन्ना works estimate जालोलो, length of this is 40 meter. The estimate cost is by engineer is 4,82,000 40 meter. Just note, मागीर तुगेलो आन्सर 80 meter. There's no estimate 4,70,000. Now this is 40 meters, 4,82,000, and 80 meters 4,70,000. This is length is 60 meter, 4,81,000. There cannot be so much of same this. There should be a huge variation because lengths are different. So because of this, there's ना आमगे पंचायत बॉडी मीटिंग येयले. आमी कित केलें? बाबा तुमगे सारकी ना. तुगे टेंडर ओपनिंग we were not present. We cannot say there is transparency in this. Same lowest. There's a question mark on this. So we raised this points and we told we passed a resolution. Baba, tumi ask the video for because there's no transparency in this video. So secretary has written to the video. Ata ye secretary चे pressure घालपाक पण some political pressure, some काल press गेला सरपंचान. So pressure. म्हणटा तू सरपंच तू कितें असो pressure हाडटा? तू दिसोत न्ही secretary तुगे stall केलो म्हणून director हा बरे. आपणागे सगळे सारके हा प्रोसिजर सेक्रेटरी दिना म्हणून. Why you are going decide that तुगे कितें problem आहा तू इंचा तिचा वयत न्ही. You should go directly to the director, to the right forum and complain to the secretary आपणागे stall केलो म्हणून. So this is how is the problem with the tendering procedure. आणि last point regarding this चार काम आहे ती अंडर फायनान्स कमिशन. फायनान्स कमिशन जो हा सेंट्रलला पयशे येताय, देर इज गायडलायन्स फॉर दॅट. आणि ते गायडलायन्स प्रमाणे सर्टन वर्क्स हॅव टू बी टेकन अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोर्टलाची लोड कोताय ती. सो हिंगा पयलीं सद्याकूच फायनान्स कमिशनाची तुगेले VDC बसोता आनी GPDP हें कोता, विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन. आनी इन दॅट विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन the works are proposed and the lengths and also the amount. So all these works are shown is below 2 lakhs. But here if you see the estimate is gone above 4 lakhs and they plus 5% or 4.98, it is above 5 lakhs come. So as per the guidelines you cannot exceed so much. Doubled, more than double, exceed the law. So this was, I went personally to the video and noticed the notice of the video. Video also was very this, this has been laxed because according to the किताब जदना finance commissioner असता है ते load करू पडटा पोर्टला. मागीर ते टेंडर जालो पत load करू पडटा estimate. मागीर payment करता आसतना पत load करपा पडटा. So in this situation, body आमी त्रासा पडटा आले how we have done this and also the secretary doing the payment. So these points I am मुखार हाडटा की ते हाले आमगे बॉडी त्रासा पडो नाका. हाले कोण विजिलन्सान गेल्यार आम सगळे इन्वॉल्व जातले. सो आम कितें म्हणलें बाबा आमी एक रेडी नाय आमी पास करपाक, तुम पास करताय मेजॉरिटी करताय पुरे. सो देर इज अ प्रेशर ऑन द सेक्रेटरी ऑल्सो टू इश्यू द वर्क ऑर्डर. दुसरी म्हणल्यार सरपंचान थोडे ग्राउंडाचें काम गेलें त्या दोणान तेणें रिगार्डिंग पेंटिंग ऑफ द ग्रिल्स आनी तुगेले सम पेंटिंग ऑफ द हॉल पासून तेणें मारपाक गेलें. आनी जेन्ना तेणें तें गेलें तेन्ना बील प्लेस केलें आमगेले बिल्स बॉडी मिटींग बिकॉज इट इज अ प्रोसिजर टू बिफोर मेकिंग द पेमेंट टू प्लेस द बिल्स इन द बॉडी, गेट द अप्रुवल एंड देन टू द पेमेंट. त्याच फाटल्यान आमकां फॉर्म 10 म्हूण येता पेमेंट कॅन म्हूण रिच. सो आमकां जेन्ना हाडली तेणें बिल्सां तेंचो एसून बील हाडलें. जो GST ना तेजेर कांय ना, लेटर तेगे ते प्रॉपर बील सिस्टम ना, पेपरां बिलां ही हाडली आनी बॉडी मिटींग प्लेस केलें. हांवें एका आमगे पंचा कलिगा सांगिल्लें इमिडिएटली फुट काड म्हणून तेंचो बिकॉज आनी हांवें सांगिल्लें सो बील पास कोन्ना ते एक्चुअली. आनी सिन्स ही हॅड प्लेस दीस बिल्स and he had to actually write it in the minutes that these bills have been not passed by the body. He has not done that. तेणें केलो ना तें बरयलें ना इन मिनिट्सान. मागीर तेशें कोन्न तेणें प्रिवियस सेक्रेटरी तेशें कोन्न तेणें आनीक हें हाडलें बिलां GSTची. पूण कितें एकूच तारखेक चोय 5th of February 4,095 all are below 5 because Sarpanch's powers are only 5,000. So and it is on the same date 4,945. Another bill numbers are there 29. This is 25, 29 serial na hai eko disa 52 4880 and तो secretary कित बरयता थिंगा unanimously passed resolved to issue and कोते bill number 23 date 5/2 amount 4009 bill number 30 5/2 amount 4850 then from Bhavani traders and तो बरयता असो ना the paying the fatwa whatever is placed before the body and it is unanimously resolved and to issue the panchayat payment from the panchayat fund. And हम तक सांगता बाबा तुझे बिल सारखी नाही you cannot split the amount आता मोबाईल घेतो जाल्यार तुगे split कोण दिवपा जाता. This has been done primarily because to avoid the procedures. Basically कितें जावपा जाय आसलें टेंडर or quotation कितें जावपा जाय आसलें if the amount is so huge तुगे 5,000 म्हणून तुगे कोत्ता आनी तूं स्प्लीट करीत रावता 25-30,000 घेता आनी स्प्लीट करता आनी वयल्यान बरयता तिका युनॅनिमसली पास हेका लागून आमी एक स्पेशली तेंटो बरयना न्हू लेटर पासून केली अप्रुवल नॉट गिवन टू बिल्स नॉट जेन्युइन ऑथेंटीक आनी तेंटिंग युनॅनिमसली बरयलो म्हणून मागीर नेक्स्ट मिटींगेक सी दिस इज अ मिटींग डेटेड 13/2 नेक्स्ट मिटींगेक that is 10/3 आम्ही क्लियरली त्याक सांगिल्लें करेक्शन ऑफ द मिनिट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू रेजोल्यूशन ती आतां दाखयले दी रेजोल्यूशन्स 5 members Manuel Rodriguez, Xavier Fernandez, Miguelina Quini, Ipuna and Judas Podro suggested that the above resolution may be corrected as not unanimously approved as they have not approved the same during the meeting held on 13/2/25 since the bills were mentioned in the above resolution 1 are the same on the same date and having continuous sequence serial number. Magi which I just told you last के form 10 ये unanimously में बरयताय payment कोताय though we are objecting to it that's why next meeting correction कोता असं ग्रुप आलाय तेका बाबा आमक सांगलो म्हणून आम पास कोन नाही म्हणून दिला आणि तुमचे नोंदणी हाडटा आणि आमचे रायचे गांवचे भावांक आणि भयण्याकूय नोंदणी हाडटा की हेंचोय हे तुगेले January form 10 that is after the payment is done maintenance towards football ground 1,33,000 maintenance towards hall 1,35,000 maintenance towards football ground 2,27,000 maintenance towards BP hall 33,000. Now if you add of these payments done in the month of January and February in form 10 total amount for maintenance football ground is 3,50,000 for 2 months and maintenance of hall is 1,68,000. So if it is such huge amount, you should have done it tendering or quotation because Sarpanch's powers are not there. अब इनके साथ आप तुम बॉडी पास करेंगे हम सबले इन्वॉल्व हेल्प बड़े कंप्लेन के लिए विजिलेंस के लिए some लोकयुक्ता के लिए we will all be involved. So we are clearly telling them तुम पास करता है तुम पास करे तुम दिया हम इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए एक लागून तेंक दिस होता हम ऑब्जेक्ट करता वी आर नॉट ऑब्जेक्टिंग टू एनीथिंग ये जो तें काम केला पेंटिंगाचे हे काम करपाकूच जाय आवर इश्यू इज यू ओनली फॉलो द प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर दिस इज आवर पॉइंट फॉलो द प्रोसिजर डू द वर्क you cannot exceed when your powers are only 5,000 you are paying bills of 3 lakhs 3 4 lakh 3.5 lakhs above so this is one issue magi churchilan तो ग्राउंड आपले चर्चिल ब्रदर्सान तो ग्राउंड आमगेलो गेमी वयलो तुम सगळ्यांक खबर आहा and they said we are paying you some amount plus we will maintain it so right from I think it was November san तो ग्राउंड maintain केलो चर्चिल ब्रदर्सान however तेका बायल जो काम करताले पयली 4 चौक सांगताले रेजोल्यूशन पासून देना सोना आता आनी वाडविले पण त्यो बायल आहाय कंटिन्यूअस आहाय ground is being maintained by Churchill brothers the pitch but those women are just going around I don't know whether they're doing track walking track बेश्टी ते बायलां कित काम करताय आणि आज ती काल क्लेम करता आपल्याला पेमेंट दिलो ना I told them give them a break for some time and take them again potte because now Churchill brothers is maintaining the ground see why am I bringing in all this is because as members we are doing our job in the panchayat of trying to bring to the notice of us members sarpanch and the secretary what is being defaulted in the procedures so that the panchayat body is not at fault. I request the villagers also now to come forward and keep a watch on this what is happening in the panchayat because it is your money your tax money तुम्ही RTI काढे and you will fall even आणि एक allegation ना कि MLA, as far as MLA goes, MLA of Kurtori, I have been a Sarpanch earlier. Tu yahan was Sarpanch. Judas also was Sarpanch. Till today, MLA has never called me for some work. I have never seen him interfering in our village works. Kite amni kite kona gayan di te. Never, he has never done it. We have been Sarpanches. Kenna tu kela? Kenna tene isko phone ke baba tu ke yeah amge apna interference. We have never found any interference. On the contrary, he tells us, if you have anything, come to me. He's always been cooperative. And the same thing, so our Sarpanch Mario was saying a few months back that whatever works is there, I will go to the MLA, I will do this, I will do. But today he seems to be talking a different tune. I do not know against the MLA. Yesterday I saw the video, the clipping. Because of that only this press has come to give the truth. Whatever I'm speaking only through the documents which are present here, which are available in the Panchayat. So this is why we have called a press conference, specifically because the previous secretary was actually trying to help in this not illegal thing, unprocedural matters. Present secretary from day one, the Sarpanch is targeting him. Probably because he may be telling him, I cannot pass this because it's not as per the rules. So that's why the Sarpanch is targeting from day one. At least you should have targeted him after 1 week, because he's already written letter on day one only that the secretary is not coming properly to the Panchayat, to the video, when he was actually in the video's office. So from day one he's targeting the secretary. And also this, I was supposed to come long back with a press conference to tell our villagers, please see where your money is being used. Please watch where your money is being used. As Panches, in the meeting, we have been pointing out whatever the errors, wrong, mismanagement, we have been pointing out. I also say that this money is yours. Please come and take your active part in the village affairs.